This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials, microphone permission, and the active input method. Open the app where the field blocks voice, then check system microphone access, grant it if needed. Next, switch to Google Voice typing as your keyboard input or enable it under accessibility. Once done, restart the app so permission changes take effect. This forces the field to reevaluate available input methods. Make sure you use Chrome or the latest app build, because older versions often restrict voice input. Now address why the field blocks voice. Some fields are marked input type or secure text and explicitly disable voice. If you control the form, change input type to text or add a voice-friendly attribute. If not, use a workaround. Long press the input to open the keyboard selector, pick Google Voice Typing, or use Accessibility Select to speak to capture field text. Once you modify the input behavior, test voice recognition. It should accept dictation, unless the field enforces secure input. Finish by validating your fixes, restart the device, and relaunch the app to ensure settings apply. Clear the app cache if the field still rejects voice. Sometimes stale permissions persist. Test voice typing in another app or in Chrome to see if the problem is app-specific. If only one app blocks voice, use accessibility features like dictation apps or select to speak as a fallback, and report the bug to the app developer so they can remove secure input flags that prevent voice typing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.